One detailed design, one massive wall, 36 square meters of wall printing. Today, we are taking on a huge challenge, creating the biggest wall print in Europe. This is going to be a real test for our equipment and our team. Can we finish this project without any mistakes? Let's find out. This time, we are in Szczecin, at a huge logistics center. What we are doing today is truly special. It's probably the largest single wall print in Europe. Now, we've done bigger projects before, but those were many smaller graphics spread across different walls. Today is different. We are printing one massive, continuous design, 36 square meters, all on this one single wall you see on the screen. Our team member, Kuba, is already on site, assembling the printer right by the wall. We're about to prove that with wall printing, size is not a limit. Setting up the printer for a wall this big comes with some unique challenges. Usually a standard ladder is more than enough for us, but here the highest bracket had to be installed 4.5 meters above the ground. That's why we needed a bit of extra help. Thanks to the warehouse manager and his lift, Kuba could safely mount the last piece while following all safety rules. The biggest challenge with a print this size is the scale. To keep everything perfectly still, we laid down 5 meters of rails on the floor. When a machine is this tall, any small movement can ruin the print, so stability is key. We also carefully measured the distance between the printer and the wall. This ensures the print head moves strictly up and down. Now, the printer does have built-in sensors to adjust to the wall automatically, but for a giant project like this, perfect manual alignment is a much better solution. To get it right, we use the adjustable feet on our rails to make the machine perfectly level. That way, even if you try to shake the structure, it barely moves. This incredible stability is what guarantees a successful print. For this project, we are using the maximum setup. We added a 2-meter vertical extension to the standard 2.5-meter frame, making it nearly 4.5 meters tall. Because the frame is so sturdy and high quality, the structure easily handles the load and minimizes any shaking. On top of that, the heaviest part of the printer is the base, which sits low to the ground. This keeps the whole machine incredibly stable while printing. Before we start printing on the wall, we always run a quick test on paper. This helps us check two things: that the printer settings are correct and that the design looks perfect. It's the best way to double-check the colors, the sharpness, and the file preparation. The machine is ready, the paper test is successful, and we are good to go. It's time to start printing on the wall. The great thing about a wall printer is that it does all the hard manual work completely on its own. Once it starts, our only job is to monitor it and make sure everything runs smoothly. This is a massive advantage because it frees up our time. Usually we use these hours to discuss details with new clients, prepare upcoming projects, or create content. Now let's take a look at how we actually landed a project of this scale. It all started with a simple email from the client. After that, we visited the site to check out the space. Originally, the print was supposed to be only 10 square meters, but when we saw how massive the wall was, we immediately suggested doing something much bigger. We created a custom design to show them the potential. The client loved it and agreed to everything. And that's how a 10 square meter idea turned into a 36 square meter reality. Here's a quick tip for you. Remember that you are the expert. If you see a great space, don't be afraid to talk to the client and propose a bigger, better solution. That's how you get these amazing large-scale projects. When it came to the design, the client trusted us completely. We asked them what mattered most, and our graphic designer turned that feedback into art. The graphic shows the entire logistics chain, sea, land, and air transport, combined with some key landmarks of Szczecin. We decided to scatter different elements across the wall. It looks dynamic, fills the space perfectly, and brings everything together into one cohesive story. There's also a big technical advantage to this setup. Because the elements are spread out, we could divide the print file into separate sections. This allowed us to safely pause the machine and flush the print heads between sections. Managing the process this way is much more convenient and safer for the final quality. With a setup this tall, there's one specific challenge we have to manage. Slight vibrations at the top, but for us, this isn't a problem at all. Our machine has a smart 2-end delay feature. When the print head reaches the highest point, it pauses for a few seconds, waiting until the frame is completely still. Then it moves back down under perfect conditions and does the exact same thing at the bottom. This smart system ensures that every single pass is perfectly sharp, crisp, and precise. After about 9 hours of continuous printing, the first part of the project is complete. That's 18 square meters done, meaning we are moving at a speed of just over 2 square meters per hour. This impressive speed is possible thanks to the Epson i3 200 print head. To give you some context, we used to work with the Epson F1080 head, which prints at only about 1 square meter per hour. For a massive project like this, the entire job will take us around 3 days. With our old print head, it would have taken 6 full days. At this scale, the difference is massive and it saves us a ton of time. People often ask us why choose wall printing instead of traditional painting. This project is the perfect example of why the printer is the best choice. First, the scale. It's a massive wall and we need the layout to be exactly as planned. Second, the details. This design has tons of thin lines, small dots, and text. The wall printer reproduces everything perfectly, one-to-one. Third, it's a very clean process. There are no messy paint spills or splashes. The warehouse can keep operating normally while we work right next to them. And fourth, zero human error. Whatever we put into the machine software is exactly what goes on the wall. The print head is making its final moves. Are you ready for the final reveal? We couldn't be happier with how this turned out. Just 3 days ago, this was a massive, boring wall. Today, it's a stunning, detailed space. To be completely honest with you, despite our experience with hundreds of successful projects, our team felt a little bit of stress at the beginning of this giant job. But once the printing started, that nervous energy completely disappeared because everything went exactly how we planned. Success always comes down to good preparation and reliable equipment, like our Wall Printer Pro with the revolutionary i3200 printhead. The actual printing time was around 18 hours. When you add all the logistics, setup, and packing up, the whole project took us 3 business days. This proves one major point. When it comes to wall printing technology, scale is no longer a limit. If this project inspired you and you're wondering how much money you can actually make with wall printing, check out the video that is appearing right now in the card above and is also linked in the description below. In that episode, we discuss all the details, explain what your earnings depend on, and show you our return on investment calculator. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.